friends. I am here today. Hi, friends. I'm here today to teach you a making meaning lesson. I have a nonfiction, a Teach About the World book, Doctor's Help, that I'm going to read to you. First, I am going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you your learning target and language target. Your learning target is I can listen to a nonfiction book and remember key details. And your language target is I can use complete sentences when I talk to someone at home about this book. Again, your learning target is I can listen to a nonfiction book. In this case, it's Doctor's Help. And remember key details. And your language target when you're speaking is I can use complete sentences when I talk to someone at home about this book. Words to know. I'm going to correct something because I made a mistake right on screen. The first word is healthy. That means you're feeling well. You're not sick. Healthy. The next word to know is, or phrase, is focus on. Like in the picture, this doctor is learning more about, or she's focusing on, the brain and learning more about or focusing on what the brain does and how she can help her patients by looking at their brain. That brings me to the next word, patients. Patients are people who go to see a doctor. The patients in this picture are this mom and her little baby. She brought her little baby to see the doctor. The next word to know is treat. Treat means to take care of. Doctors treat or take care of their patients. The next phrase is set a broken bone. To set a broken bone means to put a broken bone back in place so it can heal. In this picture, the doctors are working together to put a cast on this boy's broken foot. Surgery. The next word is surgery. Surgery is an operation to fix something or remove part of the body. More words to know. Checkup. A checkup is when you visit the doctor so they can check to see if a person is healthy. The next words are nursing homes. Nursing homes are places where older people go to live in special care. The next words are rural places. Rural places are places out in the country where not many people live. This picture is of a house in a large field and neighbors are not close by. Scrubs. Scrubs are special clothes doctors and nurses wear. Germs. Germs are tiny living things that can make a person sick. So the words to know are healthy, feeling well, focus on, learn more about, patients, people who go to see a doctor, treat, care for, set a broken bone, put a broken bone back in place so it can heal. Surgery, operation to fix something or remove part of the body. Checkups, visits to the doctor so they can check if a person is healthy. Nursing homes, places where older people go to live and get special care. Rural areas, places out in the country where not many people live. Scrubs, special clothes doctors and nurses wear. Germs, tiny living things that can make a person sick. Okay. As I read, think about the work that a doctor does. That's what I want you to think about. Think about the work that a doctor does. Okay, here we go. Doctors help. Here's our first nonfiction text feature. This is called a table of contents. The table of contents is a page in a nonfiction book that tells readers information about what is in the book. It tells you where you can look for specific parts of the book. I'm going to read a couple of the sections. What is a doctor? And I look over and I see page number 5. So when I want to find out what a doctor is, all I have to do is look here on the table of contents and go right to page number 5. The next section is what doctors do, and that's on page 11. Then clothes and tools, and that's on page 15. So the table of contents is a page that helps readers know information that is in the book and where they can find it. What is a doctor? Doctors help sick or hurt people get better. They also help healthy people stay healthy. Healthy, feeling well, not sick. All doctors learn about the human body, but some doctors focus on certain parts of the body. Neurologists study the brain. Focus on, learn more about. Other doctors care for certain kinds of patients. People who go and see a doctor a doctor who sees only children is a pediatrician. Right now, I want you to turn to someone at home and answer this question. What is a doctor? Great. Here we go. What doctors do? Doctors treat people who are sick or hurt. They take care of people who are sick or hurt. They give patients medicine. They may set a broken bone. Remember, to set a broken bone means to put a bone in place, back in place, so it can heal. Sometimes doctors do surgery, and surgery is an operation to fix or remove part of the body. What doctors do. People also go to doctors for checkups. Doctors tell patients how to stay healthy. Doctors give shots to keep people from getting diseases. Checkups are visits to the doctor so that he or she can check if someone is healthy. Clothes and tools. Doctors may wear white coats to see patients. They may also wear scrubs. Scrubs are special clothes doctors and nurses wear, like in this picture. Rubber gloves protect them from germs. And remember, germs are tiny living things that can make a person sick. Doctors use tools to gather information. A stethoscope helps them hear heartbeats and breathing. X-rays help them see inside the body. Where doctors work. Doctors usually work in clinics or hospitals. Some doctors run their own offices. Others visit nursing homes or rural areas. Remember, nursing homes are places where older people live and get special care. And rural areas are areas out in the country where not many people live, where neighbors are far away. So doctors are all over. Friends, I have another question for you. Why are doctors important in a community? Why are doctors important in a community? Turn and tell a home partner why doctors are important in a community. Good. Here we go. Doctors help. Doctors are important to the community. Everyone gets sick sometimes. Doctors help people get well and stay well. Another nonfiction text feature is a glossary. A glossary gives some important words that were in the book, and it gives the definition, the meaning of the words. That's another important nonfiction text feature. Friends, another important nonfiction text feature is the index. The index gives words and their location in the book. It gives words that are in the book and the page number that they can be found on. And that's the end of the book. So I want to show you on a slide for your parents to help you with the discussion, with talking about this book. I want to show you the last slide. So let me share my screen again. Here are the questions. What is the purpose of a table of contents? What is a doctor? And use the sentence stem. A doctor is, And why are doctors important in a community? Bye, friends.